Bunny? Bunny, where are you? This can't be happening.
How could you let this happen?
I swear, I closed it. I closed it. Why won't anyone believe me? If nobody believes me, maybe I shouldn't come back at all.
You're the fluffiest bunny in the whole world, aren't you? They're, locked tight. Safe and sound, little rabbit.
Look at them out there, Michael. Such a peaceful afternoon.
Time for your nap, Bunny. I'll come check on you soon. Bunny, I'm back. Time to play again. Bunny? Bun? Where did you go? Mom! Dad! My rabbit is gone! The cage is empty! What?
Oh no! Don't worry, sweetheart. We'll all search for your rabbit right now.
Check every corner. Bunny couldn't have gone far.
Where could he have gone?
Maybe he's by the gate. Wait. This latch looks loose. Was this gate left open?
Alex, did you forget to close the gate again?
Maybe? But I did close it. I checked it twice, I promise. No, really, I'm not lying. I swear I saw it latched. Nobody believes me. Not even Mom and Dad. My poor bunny. It's all because the gate was open. Nobody believes me. Not even Mom and Dad. If they don't believe me, maybe I don't belong here anymore. I'll just go somewhere they won't have to worry about me. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Maybe out there, someone will actually listen to me. I have to keep looking. Bunny must be so scared out there. Bunny? Oh. Are you out here somewhere? Where could you be? Wait. What was that sound? Could it be? Bunny! You're safe! Oh, I found you! I found you! Mom, Dad, I found Bunny! It was hiding behind the shed!
Oh, honey, we're so relieved.
We were so worried.
Oh, thank goodness. But wait, how did it get out in the first place?
It was me. I forgot to close the little cage door. It wasn't Alex's fault at all.
We blamed Alex without even listening to him. Where is he?
Alex, where are you? We need to find him now. Alex, where are you? We need to find him now. He's gone. He must have used the rope.
Hurry, we have to follow him. Come on.
He couldn't have gone too far. Let's check the park.
I just wanted someone to believe me. Alex! There you are! I'm so sorry, it was my fault.
We're so sorry, Alex. We should have listened to you from the start.
It's okay, Dad. I forgive all of you.
From now on, we promise to always listen carefully before we blame anyone.
And I promise, no matter what, I'll always talk to you instead of running away.
Always tell the truth. Never blame someone without knowing the facts. Learn to forgive others. And never... Let's review our new words. Blame Tef to say someone did something wrong. Truth, what is real and honest. Lie, saying...
Let's see what you remember. Question 1. Who did everyone blame by mistake? Question 2. What did Alex decide to do when nobody listened? Question 3. What should we always do before blaming someone?
Now let's practice together. Say with me, blame.
Blame.
Say with me, truth.
Truth.
Say with me, forgive.
Forgive. Now try a full sentence. Don't blame your friends. Always tell the truth. I forgive you. Great job. See you next time.
If you enjoyed our story today,
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
There are so many more fun adventures waiting for you. And tap the bell icon too, so you never miss a new story. See you next time. Bye-bye.